Hello, beautiful people. Take a look at my guest bathroom, all neutral, but in a few minutes, it will be transformed into something beautiful and vibrant for spring. There you go, neutral creams and whites and greens and stuff like that. Now, these are some of the stuff that I'm going to use to clean my bathroom. You can see right there my stuff, and of course my paper towel. Now, if you want to see me transform this bathroom, stick around and stay tuned. Remember to like, share, subscribe.
Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble. You fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now and remember that the only way is up from here. Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now and remember that the only way is up from here. The only way is up from here. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck and you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now and remember that the only way is up from here. There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, 'cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you doing fine 'cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me, and I'm like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary.
So here we go. This is how the bathroom turned out. Now this beautiful pic, I got it from Dee Dee's discount last year, the first time I'm using it in any decoration. So there it is. Blue, blue, blue. Now right here you have the vase with some cherry blossom. Now I was gonna use, if previously you saw me trying a white vase with some blue cherry blossom, but it was too much blue. It didn't give me that pop effect. And so when I put this picture, my mind said, you know what, use the pink one instead. And so therefore, yeah, although it's blue themed, this pink cherry blossom popped a lot and gave it more definition, or whatever you think. Yeah, I'm more, you know what I'm talking about. You give it more of that. So there you go. Now these cherry blossom, there are 5 of them, and they were from Burlington. I think the set was about $12 or $12.99 for the set of 5. I did pick up two of them, but I'm only using one here. I think the 5 is enough right here. So that this vase was, our ginger jar was from Ross. I had it from last year. I now picked up these 2 birds from Burlington recently. They were $4.99 each. My Lazy Susan was from Burlington some time ago. The candle wax warmer was from Ross. Got it from Ross. So there you have butterflies and all. And then you have my soap dish. I did show these in the haul. I planned to use them in my master bathroom, but I changed my mind and went with something different. And here you have another one. One is for lotion and one is for soap. Now here I have my towel holder right here. I put blue, but I'm second guessing myself as to put in white there. So I don't know. I know the blue pops a lot, but I was thinking of calming down the blue a bit and use white. So I may change. But tell me what you think. Is this blue towel right here and towels here okay, or do you prefer it be white? So there you go. And then again, up here you see my candle stand. These were from, I had them before. They were from what's the place called? Hobby Lobby. So were the candles from Hobby Lobby right there. And then this beautiful vase. If you watch my haul, you will see that I got it from Burlington. And this green here was from Burlington. I just put it into this container right here. And then right here, I put my pop of color with this vase. I think these were from DD's discount. I had them for some time now, maybe a year or two. And there are two of them right there providing some pop of colors, right? The green with the yellow, the pink right there in there. And then this is a vase here that I use for my washcloths. I use blue and white washcloths here. And I put 2 petals right there. And then going down here, you have your butterflies right there, room spray there, and some other accoutrements, as we say, the cotton swabs, cotton pad, cotton ball, and toothpicks right there. Okay, right there. And up the top there, I have that wall heart. I think I got it from Ross some time ago. It was previously in my living room. I move it here. My curtain, I did include it in a haul from last year. I got it from Ross. I also have the same color in cream, and I think I have it also in gray, which is quite beautiful, giving off this metallic look right here. So it's the silver and the blue combined together. And then my outer curtain panels, 96 inches long. These were from Amazon. Turning this side, we have these beautiful wall art, quite beautiful, with the white and gold frame. And this was from Ross. Both of them were like $24.99 for the set from Ross. Quite beautiful. I'm seeing fingerprints on them, so I'm going to clean them off when I'm done. And then here we have a pair of towels, complement with a tassel. That all of these are from Ross. The towels and the tassels are from Ross. Quite simple arrangement. Here, show you my garbage bin there. Blue garbage bin that came from DD discount. It was $3.49. So I'm gonna give you an overall look of how my early spring guest bathroom turned out. Remember, if you're here for the first time and you like what you see, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Tell me how I did. Tell me what I can do to improve the look, or what would you not have done. So yeah, here we go. Beautiful pic again from DD's discount. African princess. Here we go. So there you have it there on this side of the wall. Okay. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the video without me blabbering my big mouth. So here we go.
Can we walk away in the setting sun? When the race is done, I see no smile, nothing left to say. I guess nobody really won. When the race is done, I see no smile, trying to shake all the memories, now the enemies, from a place that we both wanna leave. Now we don't really wanna feel. Did we hold on for too long? Could you tell me, babe, what went wrong? But now we're free, yeah.
some immunity or just clarity. Cause I don't